Hi, in this video we're going to do an unboxing of the camera, the GoPro 6. So here is what I have ordered from Amazon, and when you have ordered from Amazon, this is exactly what you get. It comes inside this plastic packaging and there's no box, so just this is basically the box itself. So this is the Hero 6 Black. So we're just going to open it and take a look what's inside the box and what can you expect to get. Now when you buy the GoPro 6 camera, it doesn't come with an SD card, so you're gonna need to get the SD card, remember that, otherwise you can't record anything. So this is the box itself. So it has a small piece of paper here that we can slide out. It has some information on this here as well, so you can have a look to see what it's about. You can download the app if you have iPhone or Android phone. And on the side here, it tells you what is included in the box itself. So the camera, the cover, so the casing, it has a battery and some other accessories, USB accessories. So let's take a look by opening it. So there, we're just going to peel it out, and that will expose the bottom bit. So let's just pull up here. So it's got a small hole, you can just put your finger in and pull it out. So that's it, that's the camera right there. So there you can see you got the remove button right there. It says remove. So we can remove it by you can see here it say what if you look at the steps, it say that we pull up this thing here. So I'm just going over here so a better lighting angle. So there it is. So we pull up, then there's some instruction, and then you squeeze it in. So you squeeze this one in, and then you can pull out. So if you squeeze it in, and then you can pull out the GoPro. There, so you can see once we pull in, we can just push it forward and it will come off like that. So you can see there's a clip, so it goes in. Once you squeeze it here, you can just drag it out. So pull up this latch, squeeze it in, and then pull out, and off come the GoPro. So right there is the GoPro. And then let's open up the box and see what's inside the box here. So there's a GoPro stickers. If you're a big fan, you can stick it onto your fridge or somewhere on a computer in your room. Some thick menu, and then let's get some other items inside the box here. So let's take a look. So it's got kind of like a holder, camera holder, that clip onto another stand or something. So here is a USB cable. This looks like a HDMI versions. So GoPro USB to HDMI. So what? Speak louder.
That's a charger.
Yeah, so this is the charger for the camera. And that's it, that's all it is inside the box, along with the tiny battery, GoPro batteries. It's quite small. When looking at the pictures it looks big, but it's not that big. It's very light, very small. So some information's on the battery as well. So I'm just trying to look at it. It has 1200 20 milliamp. It is smaller than the iPhone 5. The iPhone 5 have at least 1400 milliamps, and because of the small screens, it doesn't need a lot of battery, and probably can last for a few hours. You can also get the extra batteries to replace it. Now if you look over here, I also bought the additional SD card, so there's no SD card come with the camera. If you're going to buy one of this GoPro Hero, make sure that you go and get a the SD card, because if you decide to start recording, then there's nothing inside to save the data to. And so the camera looks like it looks like it's sitting inside a casing right here, so we can open up the casing and see what's inside as well. So I'm just gonna read up the menu to see like how you can open up this casing. And this is a clip right here. You probably just pull up the clip and you can pull out the cameras. So if you look inside the menus, it also shows you right here, very quick menus. It shows that if you pull out the clips and pull towards, and then you can just pull out the camera, and from here you can put the batteries inside the GoPro 6, and then you can close it. You can charge it by removing that flap right there. So here, if we just going to try it, you can see inside the casing here. So I'm just going to pull up right here, so you can see from here, we can simply just pull up. So it's a bit hard to pull up. So let's see if I'm just going to zoom back out. So this is rather hard, it's not very easy to pull out. I'll give it a try. So from the menu here, it says all you have to do is just pull up this part. So it's not as easy as it seems, so it come off. So kind of like a bit scary at first, but it is to make sure that the case is really tight closing in, but with a bit of force, ow, and there you go, it come out, and this one kind of open up, and then here you can pull the camera out like so. So here it is. So pull the camera out, and you can see the camera come right out in two pieces. And from here you can insert the battery and start using your GoPro 6 camera. And that is it for the unboxing videos. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you can see what's inside this camera. And yeah, I'll do some more videos on how you can charge up the battery, inserting the batteries. And yeah, if you have any comments, please leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.